Have you ever recommended a product, a movie or a restaurant to your friends and family? I bet you did. And did you get money from the restaurant owner for your recommendation? I know this is a silly question, but just imagine the movie theater or restaurant would give you 20% of the money your friends have spent over there. Because without you, they wouldn't have get the customers. So you help them making money. And getting money for your recommendation would be awesome, right? By the way, talking about recommendations, do you have a movie recommendation for me? But back to the topic, what is affiliate marketing? If we go back to the example and you would get money for your recommendation, you would be doing affiliate marketing. In fact, you are doing it all the time, just without the compensation. So, affiliate marketing is simple said, promoting other people's product for a part of the sale. You get a reward from the company for bringing in a customer. And this method isn't really working for a movie theater or a restaurant, but with the internet it's possible to track who brought the customer and who gets the commission. They know it because every affiliate link has a unique trackable ID. All affiliate programs are different, the companies are different, the products are different, the compensation is different. So you can earn from a few dollars and a few percent to 80, 90% and $1,000 plus commissions. If you just thought this is BS and it has to be a scam, just Google one of these companies and affiliate program and you will see they are all doing it. And if a company like Amazon, Target or Sephora is paying you commissions to promote the products, it has to be a legit business model. This side hustle is extreme beginner friendly. It's easy to start, you have almost no upfront cost. You don't have to create the product, so you can start right away. You don't waste time thinking about the product, creating a prototype, and that will save you months. Another advantage is you don't need inventory. So your garage is for your car and not your warehouse. You don't have to do the shipping and handling, so you can spend all your time on promoting. And you don't have to do the customer service, so nobody is calling you to complain or ask where the products are or if they can get a refund. All that stuff is done by your affiliate partner. Your job is to promote the product. Now to the second part, how to get started. First, the most important is to like this video to satisfy the YouTube algorithm gods. And if you get any value so far, consider subscribing. Starting affiliate marketing is easy. Just go to an affiliate program and sign up, grab your affiliate links, then create useful and informative content and post that, for example, on social media or make a YouTube video and place your links. And if you don't know how to do this, there are plenty of how-to videos on this platform. YouTube has a lot of them, you just have to find the right ones. And be aware of the shiny object syndrome. So focus on one product and don't jump around from product to product to product. If I would start again, I would skip the YouTube part at the beginning because YouTube has so much information, it can be overwhelming. It's good if you need specific answers, then just search it on YouTube and watch the video about this specific topic. So I personally would do the 15-day business builder challenge first. It's about the basics of an online business. And after that I would do the 3-day affiliate breakthrough. Links to both of them are in the description and both of them are just $7 and give a lot of value. To help you even more, I've just created a brand new Facebook group for aspiring affiliate marketers. And if you join, I give you this $67 ebook for free. If you want to succeed with this business model, you need a product that is proven to sell. And in this review, I show you such a product. And the best part, almost all is done for you.